Okay, next thing we need is DPG, and DPG we need as a solvent, and that's 9 ml. DPG gone in there. The next one we need is an oil called Magnolia, and that's 10% dilution. So 10% of Magnolia oil. That should be, if it's 100 ml, you can use 90 ml of DPG, and then 10 ml of Magnolia oil, that's 100 ml. So this is the 10% dilution, and we need the 8 ml quantity of this mixture. This is the diluted one, so 10%. And the total quantity that we need is 8 ml. Magnolia oil. And then 6 ml you need to use Lyryl substitute. So the Lyryl is not allowed by ITTAR, and if you search through Lyryl substitute, you can easily find a substitute for Lyryl. And you need this for 6 ml in quantity. The next one we need is called methylenone gamma, and that's 5 ml. So this one is iron, so we need 5 ml of that. The next one we use is a musk. We use musk tea. If you can't find musk tea, then you can use ethylene bracelet instead. The quantity we need is 5 ml. Goes in there. Okay. There's another substance, it's called FIXOLIDE, and that's also musky, ambergris kind of smell, and we need the 5 ml of that. A lot of things goes in there for this perfume. Okay, then we need 5 ml of linalool. Sorry, 3 ml of linalool. ml gone in there. And we need roughly 3 ml of ETHNOL. Now we need 20 ml of hydromercenol. That's 20 ml of CITRONELLOL. Sorry. Next one we need is 20 ml of jasmine. That's 4 ml, and then 20 ml of jasmine absolute. So I'll mix them together, and the oil, this is the only thing I'm going to change. I'm going to use a very good quality jasmine pure absolute for 5 ml in that. So I'm just changing the formula just to make it more, give it a distinct character. So that's the jasmine there, and that's absolute 5 ml. If you can't find good quality jasmine oil, then you follow the previous, which is jessamine 10%, 10 ml, and jessamine for 5 ml, so 15 ml altogether.